ena nyankopɔ anim no obi life and value chen obi o nyankopɔ anim nyina nkwan yɛ pepepe sɛ nyankopɔ tie saa mempa ebo no a enka sa over 300 bondholders ye maamenom ye papanom ye nuanom mrante bia no ma ye adwuma nya sika a omudo mu sika bo aban bo sia se aban mi sika yi efem na edahia dam ma ba beje ye maamenem mrafo ne kwakrafo ma ye adwuma kwa ahomje pension se eja me ko pension mini aketua mini busuani bia mani da na so obedi yama mbia die enti mebre ye memnanti brem nyina no aban me de sika yi efem gina fa kwa ye adwuma ma oman no na so mfa so fa bi tua meka mihia na ma ba beje se me ko hospital ni asimi nkoto adra na ma ba beje bi da hia dem na ba ma beje bi di asame yade da hia dem na beje bi di aboma no akohoma sa ye ma menom ya papa no no over 300 mpo over 800 of them and we because of Akufo Addo decision say majim sika mintua domestic debt exchange program mintua mo pa mo nkɔhyepo omotna wheelchair mu ekoye oyekere ewo finance minister Ken Ofori Atta for weeks was mintua wentua because of that some of them momentum yen to omomed in also moto umuwi omo na also mo hospital for review omanya sika no umuwi ebinum komedi omuwi among them eye openia na oda Kama Kama group of companies. Some kind ono ana kwesem obekae. So ono ani sika wa save over 30 years. Okoso akwaji awase mfama no. Afeidie na ya sama Ghana Revenue Authority for chase ni so ombeje to. Na ma ECG for twa ne nkanem. Papa ne friend saying Kama group of company no.
Kama no the is it
Papa no yeah no kwa
I think Agyapong.
Yes.
Mr. Agyapong.
Over 800 of them no mu here. Akufo Addo in life na better than them wana. Who free says ye nya president biti say Akufo Addo a ka Ghana ebedu sampempenso no a yetimi nya sika ekọ rent private jet. Near the namuwiem yes ye de koye bibi amfaso wo so near the side chicks se wa broni mu enamwiem na ya jeje ye merwafo ne kwakrafo sika yesie ntua na omuwu na Akufo Addo rent private jet. Akufo Addo life is it better than omo ana enti empire me boy anyankopo entie na ye me yasa nyankopo entie because nyankopo tie sa me empire bo no a me ye sure say ene ye de Akufo Addo ebegina ha near kofa Sammy wafo ne kwakrafo no because of domestic debt exchange program mu wi no over 800 of them ebegina ha near ka kire Ghana ni say between Akufo Addo ne say nipa do ahwotwe save obi life a me sure say Ghana ni bia odwin say nipa ani tisi ni konso a oba ne be ma wo no a ohumi fa no mu o wa adwin bia ebe save that over 800 pensioners ha yeku omo no dan Akufo Addo and yes, I have no regret. Sammy boss empire no. If the opportunity to offer itself, I will pray again. But me born empire na say nyankopo betie se ontie and then nyankopo asem. Because that will to me am dey yanka me ye, but am need to me. And I pray to God say onye, but nyankopo anye.
I want the reasons in dia wanye.
Reasons ya wanye. But as human face because of Akufo Addo ntino sanipa over 800 in every year and who busame someone to say if I have power to save those lives and Akufo Addo between Akufo Addo and those lives now I will choose the over 800 pensioners because they committed no sin bonya oye any sin say wodi ni sika ebo aban bosia na aban so wontua na nti wanya bia nto aduro a odi wuye ne bone ni sin any say president wono no odemre wafo ka wosi wontua na ono no a rent private jet 1 hour bia no yetua $20,000 na sa pensioner no a yesi ntua ne ka no ni sika da wo nyina kra enu $10,000 me wa na don hwere ba ko yetua $20,000 for Akufo Addo luxury life na ma choose Akufo Addo over them I won't do so be your kind for na be president Yenif sa wontimi se president bia no wiase wetimi asolve obi a problem.
Dabi.
E dia ma no.
America for crime.
A Christopher a yeti asol dem mo. Ye bom pie nyu obi a. Ubeko sorry dem ho no. Prayer group. Yesi prayer tower.
Prayer tower, yeah.
Oba fefefe wowom sister na ho keka. Yesi ya sorry juma obeye. Obepra, obesa. Enso na sorry dem o sister bi ase bi obi unu se no ho nya fe ni abe no ho ade ahye ne kawa.
Yeah.
Sister yi otonyom o sa atade e fata no odi ne huni o sum nyame pa nanso na opekunu so no onya bi. Obi atra sorry ma di 40 years na onya bi. Nyankopon hyehye ye no. Yeah. Enti enye me mpaye me de me bo mpaye ma bo me mpaye ba Nyankopon betia eno no. Akufo Addo in opposition. At the time when Akufo Addo rented private jet, Shedagan economic situation that was the time when your TV be afraid no bed syndrome.
We were in difficult times.
Those were the time when now Oko in Sawam government hospital. Yawu abofra premature babies. There's no incubator.
Yeah. And
to kwa hospital ho apem for na man no omo de da form no bed.
Yeah.
Na essence premature baby no. I was say kid ni she incubator na e born show na wa nwuni nti no. Na e man ne de mofra na she omo no fontem. Na omo de tomate kire omo se de be ya mofra no enwu. Ni abisa se sabre na kwa misifa kan 80 Peace FM. Eye lala sulala e de to incubator. Ye busa se incubator na ba ko ye say 5,000 cedis. Me wana Akufo Addo spend $20,000 at the rented jet for 1 hour. And he want me to pray for Akufo Addo to continue that useless lifestyle over saving that innocent lives. I will never do that. Ubeye kandifua. We are from dear. No what me dia boa. She President Mahama. Between President Mahama and any Akufo Addo then. The economy then and the economy now. Why nanko or betimi akase me wo moral justification. Say metimi rent a private jet nam de to kwai. Why?
Anka John.
Akufo Addo that broke the economy to its knees. I was want to mean tria emrafo kresika. Any John Dramani Mahama waba within 1 year. Sammy wa fodi nyina wo ti o musika e de amomo no. Why nanko what moral justification to say I'll rent a private jet for my luxury lifestyle. But look at what Mahama is doing. Or say Uncle Fabi Kramponinia, the end of fem no de to kwai to petrogum no de to kwai. Now the call. Onumpo and World Bank and IMF na e praise abai mu so mu adwiri wo mo because before Mahama beba abai me no mo ka say Ghana economy de
we be na ejina ye
be 2025 na economy na gu
na ejina ye na ejina bra ye
Akufo Addo no ankasa bie na numu to say economy ni de ma say no enye nanso so Mahama beba 2025 no abai ni ye
o ka kire wo he
now I say we are in a difficult moment. The next government will fix it. Yes, I know. But Akufo Addo, everybody in Ghana then, even Akufo Addo knew said the next president was John Dramani Mahama.
Maybe he was also referring to
who?
Maybe Bawumia.
Referring to who?
Maybe Bawumia, Dr. Bawumia.
Otopezo Akachem say Akufo Addo or your president national security intelligence nyina o de commander Akufo Addo nim say Bawumia be lose election.
So he was aware.
He was aware. Bawumia himself knew he was aware. To Bawumia na ne concern say Gabo na nya kese. Ba okasa in opposition, opposite. No okasa o Robert Mahama na mum Gabo no. Indeed, Bawumia knew say the gap between him and John Dramani Mahama be wide. And Akufo Addo knew say Bawumia was going to lose, NPP was going to lose. And now Akufo Addo knew said the next president was referring to was John Dramani Mahama. The first time Akufo Addo shem come abemu.
So he picked intelligence.
Yes, and indeed, Mahama inherited the economy. Na yentimi tofu a crown power easy mfidie.
Yeah.
Or inherited economy. Now we have to borrow IMF boy bosia na timi de tuage my foka. Or inherited economy. Na domestic debt where do moka Ghana is yentimi ntua. Or inherited economy external creditors is yentimi ntua. on inherit economy secondary schools at a point now say close to secondary schools because intimi to nuane emomuni Mahama inherit economy na yakosre abro from ECOWAS and the fidi Ghana for Mahama inherit economy na contractors ye domoka over 50 billion yentumi entua Mahama inherit economy na NAPO for aye adwuma over 8 months yegu NAPO enso yentumi entuaka Mahama inherit economy even teachers and nursing that training and yes here pekra no yentumi ntuomoka where's economy na Mahama inherit here 1 year sa external creditors na yentumi ntuomoka na yetua 1 year internal creditors o ma edo omoka Ghana bosume so abre no so ani yetua 1 year Ghana na ekosire bro ECOWAS na fedi etime aduanu ana atwa abura mabura buso amamu abuso a yenya babi kura mfa bi mu ama na aduane bo ayefo 1 year Mahama bae nursing trainee omusikako teacher trainee eko 1 year second 1 year secondary schools are now say shutting it down because say aduane ni ho no and now okọ secondary schools almost us aduane abuso ama fikra do mashasi ewia no moton na no national football fast talk CEO ye Georgia Bredu okọ national tour eko o say schools no o say bibia okudo kra aduane no abuso amomunya ba bi fo schools na esu fo aduane en aduane abuso a omuntumi enya bi eni 1 year Mahama ban etimi ayi sika over 80 billion big push yankobo besian free baby interna yenya nsem morem na etete ayedi akwan 1 year Mahama timi yisika over 30 billion si amfantua contractors o maye juma dadaka 1 year and you want to tell me say Akufo Addo I should have prayed send Yankopon and Koswan preserve Akufo Addo farm. No, I will never. It's better to go to church and pray for long life Bonsam on subsidy than to pray for Akufo Addo to survive. Because Bonsam Nankazakrana at a point he was surprised. Say Akufo Addo yes sir. Or Yamana Brosuntana Bonsam Krana is surprised. Entinanabi, you can go to hell. I will never pray for a wicked soul like Akufo Addo. I will never pray for a reckless old man like Akufo Addo. I will never pray for a selfish man like Akufo Addo who always care about no personal life, don't care about the poor and the needy.
But don't you think your words are harsh?
Harsh? Na why na what? Mami Bow, so ye Christian. Se on say a bonfire was saw them near Cassie a bonfire tia ya tanfo ya bonsama. Omudo musajo them fam. That's when you hear them clapping. No more bomb some, no more bomb some. Ya timi tutio pay. Ya tutio pay. Ya no cry timi the whole dressing black and red. Ya see a kwa war. Aso for no more posters about Romasha soja fatade. Ya no bonsamu kokon. Ya botio pay. And when you are fighting your enemies, you don't use soft words.
You use harsh words.
Akufo Addo was a reckless man, and Ghana, we needed to take power from Akufo Addo. We didn't go to Akufo Addo and NPP say could plead, you could negotiate for power.
Okay.
We took power from NPP and Akufo Addo. Now go be a make Kwaku take power from a reckless, wicked man, old man like that. Now my kolam ko papa pancho say me patcho for political 2 minutes me ma wa we did this anka sia same way no. Me patcho for 2 minutes wa me patcho. Me kwade free in him and you don't expect me to be soft on him. And I will never be soft on any leader or ye wicked say Akufo Addo. Tinanabi can go to hell. They can go to hell. Mahama 2016. Miracles. Kumasi, less than 4 years. It's Central Market Phase 1.
Yeah.
A commission. Na Kumasi for a demonstration. Kumahama Mayen, Kumama or say or mano, Kumahama Mayen. Mahama no AC schools, AC hospitals, AC market no. Mosi Yankopong Kuno and Famamo.
Okay. So
now Akufo Addo no buy 8 years. Mahama the 4 years KTR market. Akufo Addo no buy 8 years. When team enter second phase no. On the Nyankupo na we make us Nyankupo Nkuno a. Oh so ntiasie. Who are you na be? Oh so ntiasie. De na wodwe oman no a wo ye nyansade. Se nipa mpo no. Mo bo mpa ye se Nyankupo Nkuno. Nana sasa bonsam we busuefo ya obesi Ghana for so Akufo Addo free Ghana we there Ghana for hunse atomo ene o Ghana for bebria opa adwuma onya bi but o feel better Akufo Addo was a burden on us na wan na bebo empire se nyankopɔ se na de sede no nkoso anya kase obi abo empire eliminate every burden on way. And Akufo Addo was a burden.
Obisa man for say Sammy, near Ghana, which Ghana come under president, the former president Nana Addo Akufo Addo. People will tell you that Akufo Addo was doing everything right, just that the people that were around him, no, and an Makwaye. But Penia would tell you man kola we na kano, ye kana carry for, say ye kind of
So DDP na omade bae no. Was Akufo Addo against it? 11 no omade bae no. Akufo Addo no against it. Betting tax na Akufo Addo against it. Smoke tax wisi
emission
na Akufo Addo no against it. Taxes na Akufo Addo de buy ma Ghana businesses collapse here no na Akufo Addo against it na. Enti dey na Akufo Addo ye. School down ben Akufo Addo see ya aban be wakobu egu.
Oh, na when school down crash say agenda 111 agenda
111 Akufo Addo kati wo si no. Akufo Addo kasa agenda 111 the 1.5 years 18 months basically na committee. 4 years ni ko na wie no. Agenda 111 na mududu send no commission ya na ye adwuma. The Akufo Addo commission was Asante region no. Was a scam. No munwie but because of propaganda you call elections to pebibie deceive o man Ghana be hospital President Mahama Air Commission Medical Center Legon o twa rebi nim wie no and central for the camera di nachi o mu bra ho
yeah
ko we OPD machines see ho everything Mahama Air Commission rich camera di achire tanky ye hu say ye adwuma Mahama Air Commission Owusu hospital ye hu na ye adwuma every hospital built and commissioned under John Dramani Mahama ye adwuma Akufo Addo commission agenda 111 ye the camera ko inside ma hu de we are even world hospital because na enye adwuma it was ready Mahama Air Commission Terminal 3 na juma obi ehuye Mahama Air Commission second interchange na bibia dem akwa mu bie tumu krans na Mahama Air Commission yesa Mahama Air Commission kaswa interchange na dem krans na Air Commission Akufo Addo Commission Bank of Ghana edanom Commission Bank of Ghana no otwa ahomam no ye the camera ko inside ma hu de tu
that's all mu wie
ye na de nwie commission
den commission
Akufo Addo wo fam a oye sa fragadam no na mesinfo egu top ombo plastering carpenter fo guda no so a ombo plast ombo na de kwen Akufo Addo free abambesi no ko a ye nsi nwie and so Akufo Addo because of scam person tum futuru gara poni no o so obie kwan flower pot Mahama na shase
I'm aware
2 tier be one Eda Akufo Addo to awie kwa no commission na me no ka say street light kro en fix here so Akufo Addo ko commission say wawie enti fragadam enti srame for 8 years and Akufo Addo wo de ye wo 16 regions ye tenkra ha ye mfa ne se enko ba bia enim ba bia enkra ha nko how many constituencies 36 constituencies right a ban district or more than that okay srame one secondary schools so one secondary school 8 years of Akufo Addo tremba akwa isi commission ye ne abeka secondary school so akra ho tremba one na me throw 4 years of John Dramani Mahama enkra yi me nkwa achiri enkra yi oko eye Doóm Kwabena community senior high school eda o commission sada na dental frafra ha o sa commission ye me can be a me can other district outside Accra city way ahankwa metima can too less than 4 years no the years enyuma ni nyina Akufo Addo 8 years tell me one the first community seniors kwa Mahama commission here was a Dujama in Asante region.
Yeah.
Intimin kan kra no Asante region metimi aka one. Oko asuoso from abofo asempa na ye nkwankwa asuoso ukodu asuoso a e blog no baako esi ho Asante region.
Yeah.
Asante region kwa no e blog ka Mahama de call no more than 8 years, one secondary school build and commission. Sammy Young one on Kasanu Krom Chebi, any Eastern region. Sam one secondary school built and commissioned by Akufo Addo 8 years. Sammy
schools no when CB one course.
One Kasanu Krom Kran, Sammy.
Obama said the Krom or ye or ya quine kama
Sa Kwano and Mahama ye. Under Mahama, Cocoa Rose. Omo awarded 230 rows under Cocoa Rose. Among them, na apedwa to Chebi, through Chebi to Bonsu. Na kwana ka ho. Te Mahama free Abama Akufo Addo buy no. Was say that 230 rows contract.
Year of roach. Mama te kram te better.
Mama chire oba no. So suspect say corruption. Some of Grown Associates come forensic audit on the Cocoa Rose. Omo eso human more than 2 years. And te Kwaku Annan komo ya be do 75. Mahamadu just 4 years in this year. NPP had 16 years under Akufo plus a year Akufo Addo. They don't have one secondary school on betimi aka said omo see e de boyeri. Awai university. Or the education sector, university, NDC, and Professor Mills, AC, ho, voter region, university no. Brian Hafo, it's university NDC, UDS, NDC.
Yeah.
Min can cran, me can we mo. Akufo Addo 8 years, Akufo 8 years. University Benum see.
Say be more expanded be. Rehabilitation.
Customer says or na will be ense anka ba rehabilitate. Wouldn't the way see rehabilitating and as it me expand there. Why didn't you? Now we don't be no would you won't see no people baby. Regional hospitals. Uko Cape Coast. Our friends interpreting, right?
Interpreting, yeah.
When you see Rollins
they see interpreting.
Uko ho voter regional hospital. Your friend Trafalgar. When you see NDC Rollins.
Yeah, Rollins.
Uko Sunyane.
Interpreting, Anna.
Yes. Yeah. No. Sunyane is interpreting.
Yeah,
okay. Rollins. Akufo 8 years. Akufo 8 years. So one regional hospital built and completed commission juma. Sema bako. Ya bankra ya eti. Owusu Doku Hospital NDC. Lekma NDC. Ga East. There were atomic one.
Oh, yeah, NDC. Oh, but a polyclinic here I had to say. How labadia?
La Genana. Meba. Meka Greater Accra region.
Okay.
Owusu Doku Hospital NDC. Lekma NDC.
Yeah.
Ga East Kwabena Atomic NDC. Greater Accra Regional Hospital ya rich. Domu see colonial masters Kwame Nkrumah personal. Mahama ne besi ye. Ene I see one mono. The same Greater Accra here. Lego Medical Center. The Bank Hospital. Maritime. 4 years. Akufo Addo 8 years from bako. Akufo 8 years plus Akufo Addo 16 years. From bako. No, who dey from bako say from bako.
Afriyie na hifa phone esi.
Afriyie hospital. Don't do money mama.
Okay.
Before be free album 85 complete.
Yeah.
15% ne ye mfidi o mba fete a o makra ni nyina ade aba egu o ma yi kra egu onum Akufo Addo ne NPP for baaye they abandon it air conditions are not ma fixing no mu wie ni nyina
I drove there I went there
omu tutu ni nyina wie ni nyina the same thing happened when omu overthrow Kwame Nkrumah 1966 sabe na Kwame Nkrumah wo de contractor bui dam o ma sha asa contractor omu tu Kwame Nkrumah bago mu ko wie contractor ne nyama nyina Russian company omu wie omu nyina this is their track record.
Hunter,
never compare them. If I have personal beef or personal issues against Akufo Addo and NPP, it is justified. Mami chiro me cry a woman. Oko offense no of King Council. There's a village called Siseko.
Okay, I know King Council, but I don't know Siseko.
Who says so from King Council so called Aswa. Otra King Council market no before be do see. Ono bo se futuko bi da won sani fa so. E kwose Siseko ho na e wo me ho na tete me. Ho na share me education ase.
Okay.
Oko krom ho 1998 under Rollins and I will two boreholes me and San at the Massacre. I will be see a Greek post.
Okay.
At the Massacre. As for Cocoa shed, your friend Cocoa shed, baby, I need to Cocoa Rollins Nessie. Now class 2. Now me team foot room. Your and no mobile say, or mobile be school down, no basic school. Like joke. By the time I feel class 2, middle class 6, you know, now Rollins about to see a 6-unit classrooms. See what is here.
Wow.
And Tiana Rollins on my boreholes me and San. Before that, near sense your form. In Sua near Cosa, the near call pie, friend Atani attack. You was Sisikum, you were that form. You want to show a woman pass him. Silence you, Marco, and Nan enemy. I want to near sense you near sense you now form. Rollins in the 2 balls me and San at the mine. Go by 8 years. Banyashi. There's no record of Kufo. Professor Mens by no 2010. No train electricity from them through them to Kofikrum.
Okay.
To Siseko. Professor Mels. Oba Sabre no. Koko phone shed any ho enti a Greek post na ho no can say koko shed no baby na koko office anite no omo renovate no mo de bangalows the ma teachers.
Okay.
Professor Mills and Professor Mills abc JHS.
Wow.
And some ayenya school feeding I was Siseko. And now call my dear friend social amenity from ensure to education to everything was provided by NDC. Akufo Addo by 8 years. Almost mukusi toilet. So can say one Ghana toilet no.
Make hyper.
Na NPP they be ameka so me scammers. They can scam you no matter your level of education.
Sir, one more.
If you give them 1% trust, they will, it's enough for them to trust to scam you. Sir, one Ghana toilet no musi across the country. We him say na a BOOT project, build, operate, own and transfer. Ni nyina ne say a public partnership. Enti ankran juma any aban and a kwa panomasi. Now don't me say BBOT no agreement ni say government ebe provide land. Now we no what be see toilet no. We see toilet ni we a wa ton toilet no. Networker wotuka we a na abayaje. And the BOOT build own operate transfer. NPP for pe Ghana for deceive or no deceive contractor and so omun si sa toilet ni nyina. Till they didn't know. Government project be aso no. O share adwuma na se aye ma 30% mobilization.
Yeah.
And it mobilize to the field now we adwuma ni do pempen so na we generate certificate ni etu awka. And the contractors no mu free says anet here. There asase ne ma omu a omu ko two form two foundation si dan do pempen so a or more register certificate or more kwa Kojo Mpenesi anka ni saa o ko agreement no agreement ni say one na do sika be sini nyina na waton toilet no 1 cedi 2 cedi Bawumia be ka say 1 cedi 2 cedi woton toilet no 1 cedi 2 cedi na wote wo ka wi a na fe wo the toilet no ama aban anom oh na yenim enti saa one Ghana toilet no across the country project ni na style o course seko a ebi esi ho 8 years of Akufo Addo the omoye no 16 years of NPP Okome villager that is NPP's achievement sa uncompleted one Ghana toilet no edasiso okota chima bebre wo ho minim se atiefo na ahwefo bebre obehu se muni mu anokre na maka to denti a sa toilet project romantimi anwie no they deceive the contractors na ye build own operate and transfer project but oman kan kire omusenka contractors ni numa nkomo nkomete wo mo ho to musi du ba bi omu se aba na nyina so this ka beba no the oman nye scam complete na ni nyina kan ho ba uko NPP record man Akufo Addo ka say we are built toilet over 20,000 toilet over 120,000 toilet na ni nyina kan Akrofo adwen ko so say so steady a anytime bia NDC for bebisa na ora e de na koso ora na akwa say pressure eko attorney general bia no they rope in the office of the special prosecutor now divert attention at the call always since last year. Now me say like I said it took Ghanaians 12 good years to appreciate and understand Mahama's style of government and Mahama's legacy.
Right.
It took them 12 good years. It's a matter of time. You can insult, I don't care, but it's a matter of time. Na se Nyankopon ba mai ahoden. Yeah, tinkwamui. Me say it's a matter of time. Just give yourself some time. You vindicate me some onto. Na dia ba ko amahu Ghana fo ne say obi ya de na obekire wadwen fa ho se ko ne nya adwen ba ko obekire wadwen fa ho so ne nya adwen mienu yes wo tani pa no e attack. They will not consider the questions I will be sa enyamanti I will be sa no they will not. Attorney General ba first metna ha ye ebra na kodwo ebo soja won so na meka so papa we wo se wono no onye se Godfrey Dame no apepre ne ho akokọ to akodi nchuntu oye ne hwehwe mu nyina ha ya na mete wa open I can go back to my archives and pull out that video.
Okay.
Metimi baby se Ghana ni na 2025 June 13 oko government accountability series na okachire many Ghana fo nyina say national service under NPP omu wie sika na nipa makomaku dumienu including the former minister for youth and sports Mustafa Yusuf omo ya akronfo enti why ohwehwe mu awie omo nkrata aye ready udo omo court no akodi omo asem metigana minka bi nhemu
They were sitting you somewhere ana mahwe animu a 2025 atwam ene o 2026 mu month bo mu ne we April nipa mienu pe ene ye kase o prosecute omo gift oware ena eye asibe nipa mienu pe enti mini right se mebusa atene general say na se de Yesu Kristo busa akwatafo no say na eduna aka no we me bisasa question we na me repeat bisasa question we is it personal attack on is it attack on this person won na be ka tell me say wo so me ya kronfo me ya criminals won for mo court but wo bu o mo fa so me ya criminals edubu ahinde na kosi say
investigations omo doketa ready to prosecute June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. How many months?
11 months.
11 months. Out of 12, me pen prosecuting. Me need right to ask this simple question.
You have the right because you are a Ghanaian.
Last year, me baby, and I'm back me say, your docket on National Cathedral are you ready? Docket ye, Kweku Yede kobo obi ya krata ya trotche se
concerning the $97 million.
And now beka kire mi Ghana ni a taxpayer. Say, are you ready to call court no ko prosecute omo? Me hwe anima 2025 no show. Ma hwe animwa ya si 2026 mu. Ya obosumi nan mu no show. Enti mi ko bi sase akosi sen a metano.
Dabe.
Mi busa se ekwasan a me se ndisi aban.
Dabi.
Ni wo kwan se me bisa.
Wo ho kwan. Adentra.
Si dia problem me ka se me hwe me ntam kese na me ka ya no. 2022 me see to me. Me kwatena on computer building mu Ashoman Estate. 1 month ne say yi miniama. That whole 1 month na metena ho no. Me bi dem nkunya me TV bibia na egu abonten. Me dware wa abonten say no adwaye. Ni me yire ni me ma. 1 month me ntam kese na maka. Do you know why? Me yesebio aboa chechide minimanum ye ntimi na manam me kra. Me kra sika. I'm the bit ya me rent because na me nim say me rent be so 2021. But 2020 election me call a central region me call Bruno East de me hu ya no ma me nyagidie say NDC will win. Enti me dim say me sika no to motorbikes e de come kra say command NDC say mfanya adwuma obi o say me boa no nko bisa me to motorbikes makoma miensa.
Wow.
From August 2020 to December 2020, me to petrol gu motorbikes no miensa sa kosi so mo de ye election wie. Me adopted 2 branches two branches wa Accra. Me decide carry because na mo gidie send this baba power. 3 days. Ebre to abana ye bobo me die NDC headquarters for 3 days. 2020, 2021, NPP focus Supreme Court. Videos na no mo bono. E de kire say evidence no. E ye me samo honto. Me radio go da juma me e net to na e ko Facebook live. The video no mo ko twa no mo de ye.
Okay.
Without 3 days. Me friend this headquarters na me sika ka me mobile money is 250 Ghana cedis. And this lose election. Me sika nyina kwa him. And I couldn't get money to pay my rent. So you don't want NDC better than me.
Yeah, that is true. Sammy, made us
you sacrifice, obi a sacrifice, obi to dying, obi to fear, obi spending millions. And on the NDC Lucy, the sacrifice by me, I gave my all and I lost all. And you don't own more, who need right more than me to criticize if things are not going well. I mean, time can say na makano. And if you dare me, I'll go deep. Very soon, you understand why some of the NDC people blindly supported this cause.
Okay.
Because some people have started misbehaving and they think that we will support them. They lie bad.
They lie bad. Sammy Hunter, a broker journalist. It is our duty to go there.
For
Mintakano. Yeah, Honorable Mintakano.
Honestly, the one to our announce.
Oh, yeah, action man.
But one who appear.
Yeah.
I'm sure say me bana mania but one more.
Yeah.
Yes, sister no afraid or ban afraid last one. Minimum pa.
Oh, yeah, my sister.
Minimum from
Nukumoko
2013 or 2016 through Munti FM. Abraham Kwabena. Doóm Kwabena. Na me ne Net2.
Oh, okay.
We were very close.
Oh, okay.
But me ne yankasa. Do you know why? Because of NDC.
Because of NDC. But I don't want you to go into details.
She didn't believe in the candidacy of Doóm Kwabena MPNA. Honorable Elekule Makurugu.
Maybe she might also have her reasons.
Yes, because of that. Me no kwapa WhatsApp hot one since the yankasa. So me, when it comes to NDC, I will choose NDC over you.
Okay.
That is it.
All right.
But is it Ebra Yoko for HC Shatawale? So can I sabre no? Most of NDC when you fall now they were not happy. Not because Yoko was not doing the right thing, but because they feel say going after Shatawale no, Ube created disaffection among Shatta SM fans.
Yeah.
Enti Ebema party no I unpopular. They were not happy. Okay. But Uber NDC more. Voter Regional House of Chief. Voter Regional Council of State member. Oko Voter Regional. He was the highest sponsor of the NDC prior to 2024 election. So let me say Yoko at the court.
Yeah.
On a Yoko and then court to court Nubwa Seminoma Yoko D4. Now no Yoko so Ntiasi were declared wanted. So or a fugitive.
Yeah. High
Court Asama order say Yoko. One police are wanted on that man. Have you heard any NDC's leading members now? Almost me and Kazan. Have you heard them condemning Yoko? Said the all year voter region council of state member no. The all year never caused disaffection. Ewo NDC strong with voter region. Have you heard them? Have you heard them? And I need them to cause disaffection. Obia or the highest sponsor, the highest donor. Voter region prior to 2024 elections. Appointed Yoko boss. Not because Yoko has some word. One other assembly court 2D4. Every legal action be our take be and what before. Work on the person and court our that will say what declared wanted. Desist from that, pull him from that unwanted list because Yoko you don't have a case. But nobody is talking about it. Onya NDC ni. One sponsor NDC, Shatawale sponsor NDC. But when Yoko was going after Shatawale, some of them were not comfortable with it. But when Yoko unlawfully going after NDC financier or voter region, strongest hold, they are quiet. Like I said, political parties, bringing now from several places together. You'll be one more. Because of politics. Now we need baby but politics the eba. The idea be share no NDC. So you chose NDC and I chose NDC. And because of that, we became friends, we became comrades, and we became family. What it means is that at any time, if I have to choose between you and the NDC, I will choose the NDC over you. And I've chosen NDC over anyone who are maybe free son and Yama or NDC chances. No, I will choose NDC over that person 1,000 times in any day, any council, any hour, any minute. I don't hate to be a brain the NDC buy. NDC buy unya she. Me brain the NDC buy. Nyame nkwa. Obi breche me. Yeah. Obi nya an appointment last year. Obi nya ne day this year. And then create obi nya an appointment. Me nya. Yeah. I'm never complaining. Because me, I build myself to be stronger than this. Yeah. The appointment is about fine. I'm fine. Ube in so to apit and pay. And to apit and pay. Ube to me the 1 year is sinifie. Ube the 3 months. Ube the 6 months sinifie. Me shall say me see me 3-bedroom 2017 10 years in the way. Me see we 1,000 years. Me see we are and son na me me wuna ye amount for be me yom be me fee. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.